the island. As per his information, only one team was allowed to enter this island, and that team has more or less 6 to 7 people. So, how so many people are shouting? Although Panda cannot see them, but he can hear of them all. What is happening outside the cell? Why so many noise? As if something has attacked a group of people. The cellmates from their cell is hearing the same noise that Panda has heard. Jayanta was terrified, Raz and Rohit surprised, and Gomez's sleep got broken. Professor Basu was curious. Tiger, 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 tiger. This is the only sound they are hearing from the out people running here and there outside their cell. Although they cannot see them because their cell is totally isolated and it is placed within a isolated room in the cave. But still they can hear the running of the guards, might be or other people, and along with their voice or their shouts, tiger, tiger, tiger. A tiger in Sentinel's Island. Although we or anyone else have not ventured into these jungles ever, but how can a tiger roam around in these places? Neither in this island nor in the entire group of islands, which is referred to as Andaman and Nicobar, you can find any history of tigers. But now we are hearing its presence. Suddenly, a lot of commotions erupted in the tunnel. The guards are yelling again, tiger, tiger, tiger. Save us, save us, save us. Dear God. Again, a large growl was heard. Then multiple growls were heard, whether there are one or many